Hey everyone, it's Valerie Sheridan with Easy Peasy Living, back again with the final segment on simple solutions to make life a little bit easier. And today I want to focus on kitchen hacks and things to make life in the kitchen a little bit easier. So the first one is a tip that I think I originally got from Martha's store, but I've seen it all over the place since then. And that is a way to keep your celery nice and crisp for longer. And it really, really works. So all you do is you take your bunch of celery and you wrap it tightly in some aluminum foil, and you will be amazed at how long it stays nice and crisp and ready in the refrigerator. So next I want to share with you a couple of tips for hard-boiled eggs. The first one comes from my friend Catherine, who told me her brilliant idea of making hard-boiled eggs in her electric kettle. So if you guys don't already have an electric kettle, you might really want to consider getting one, not just for this reason, but this is definitely a benefit. I love my electric kettle. I never wanted one. My husband is from England, and when we got married, he was like, we have to get an electric kettle. I thought it was silly, but let me tell you, I cannot imagine life without it. So here's the thing, you put your eggs very gently, and I've never tried doing this with more than like 3 or 4 eggs at a time. But you put your eggs very gently in the bottom of your electric kettle. You fill with water, the rest, like make sure they're at least covered with water, and then you just switch it on. Once it switches off, you just let them sit there for another 10 minutes, and then you can remove them with a slotted spoon. It's so much easier than boiling them on the stove. You can go about your business and do stuff, and you don't have to worry about keeping an eye on that stove or about the water all boiling over or anything like that. So I hope you guys will try that one. Another idea, if you're making something like egg salad where you don't need the eggs to be intact, I mean, obviously this wouldn't work for something like deviled eggs, but if you're going to be chopping eggs up anyway, another way to do it is in the Instant Pot, which I thought was a really great idea. And the benefit to this is that you are breaking all the eggs in advance so that you don't have to shell them later. Hello, I hate shelling hard-boiled eggs. I love hard-boiled eggs, I just hate having to shell them afterwards. So this is a great tip for that. The next hack that I have for the kitchen is if you're making chicken and you want shredded chicken, it's super easy to shred it in your mixer. Who would have thought? Just put it in there. It works for other cuts of meat too, but I think it's easiest with chicken. And you just turn your mixer on, and it really only has to go for a minute or two, and it'll shred it all up really nice for you. So that's a lot easier than doing it with a couple of forks. And then the last one that I have is a use for those beer cozies that you get, or those drink cozies. This is for if you are packing an apple in your kid's lunch and you don't want it to get all bruised and knocked around in the lunchbox. You can put it inside the beer cozy, and it'll stay nice and safe and protected, and you won't be getting bruises all over your fruit. So my kids used to like that one. I am also going to link down below in the description to this video another video that I did a long time ago, which shows you a really easy way to cut up a mango. Some people have a lot of trouble with that, and there are a couple of tricks, and so I share them with you in that video. So if you want to go watch that, feel free. The link, like I said, will be down below. So I hope you guys will give this a try. Let me know how it goes. I would love to hear from you at Valerie@easypeasyliving.com. And next month we will be starting a whole new series. I hope that if you like these videos, you'll give it a thumbs up and you will subscribe to my YouTube channel. And until next time, keep it easy peasy. Oh, hey guys, one more thing. I almost forgot to tell you. You can find all of these simple solutions that I covered this month, plus some more on my website, and the link is www.easypeasyliving.com/simple-solutions-gallery. I'm putting that down below in case you want to go check it out. There are a few more that I didn't cover.